friends, welcome to SPL Interior and I am Simha Sharma. Today we are going for the tour of 3 BHK apartment. And this is the main entry. I will tell you about the material also. So if you talk about the door material, so it is laminated and the golden part which you are seeing is acrylic sheet. So just after entry, this is the drawing room. This is the main wall and this wall which is common to the kitchen, and this is LCD wall. False ceiling has been done here. If we will talk about the main wall, so POP group design we have made. On the other wall, wooden shelf we have taken, and here this is the partition of the kitchen and highlighting wall also. Here we have taken the shelf, which we can say that it is also niche, and this is the paneling work which is done. So in this way this partition is highlighted. This is also a wall, and on this POP group has been done. This is the common washroom. We will go in the common washroom, but before that we will talk about the drawing area. In the drawing area, this is LCD unit wall. The wooden work has been done in 18 mm board. Laminate of 1 mm thickness is pasted on that. Here 3 drawers are present. Here what you are seeing, this is T profile, which looks so much elegant, and on this wall LCD of around 56 inches can be hanged. This drawing room is very nice, and if you talk about the size of the area, so it is around 15 feet by 10 feet. Here we are seeing the false ceiling design. This is simple but quite different. Cove light has been used and conceal light also used for the brightness of the room. Now we will go in the common washroom, which we can say as a powder room. Here we will highlight about the tiles, because tile pattern we have made. Two main points which I think that which is special in this washroom. First is this niche, which is now not completed, but niche will be made with the granite and light will be fitted here, and we will keep here some small plants for highlighting the area. On the front wall, the light tile has been used. This is the vanity wall, dark tile has been used here, and this wall, which is very big, we have made the pattern of rhombus here. If we will talk about the size of the washroom, so it is around 6 feet by 4 feet, fully ventilated, and ventilation has been used in this washroom. Now we are in the kitchen area. In this kitchen area, the kitchen is made in L shape. Granite counter has been used. This is the wooden work. This is lower cabinet and this is upper cabinet. We have used 2 color, grey and white, for the lamination. Dark we have used in the lower area, and white or lighter shade we have used in the upper area. So here this is G profile. G profile has been used for the handling purpose. Wire mesh fitting is used here, and we have given the basket according to the requirement, as we are thinking that this is the chimney area. So here we will keep the hob, and this is for like grain trolley. This is the like normal drawer, we can say that cutlery box. This is normal drawer. Here we can keep cylinder. This is normal drawer. Here this is where we can keep thali rack, we can say like this, and this is normal. Now this is the L corner of this kitchen, and this we can see that say that this is like sink area. This is the kids room. One thing which I forgot to tell you, that tiling. In the tiling, the tile is common, but we highlighted the tiling work by taking the skirting of different color, which is dark, and on the chocolate area we highlighted with the dark color of tile, which looks so much elegant. And as we already said that this is kids room, so we have designed this area according to the kids. Just after entry, this is the main wall on which quilting work will be done. On this wall we have taken the wardrobe with some open shelves also, and at the end we have taken the study area with some upper shelves. This is the LCD wall. All the work in this flat has been done in the HDMR board. This is the drawer and some open shelves also. And as you are seeing the light, this is aluminum profile light, and this is the open shelves. Lamination is not done here yet, which will be done in the future. Now we can see the common wall. This is not the main wall, this is the common wall on which we have made the POP group design, and we are planning to do some like we will take some extra dark color on this wall, not that much dark, but little dark, like light gray color. So this is the washroom, bedroom of kids, and size of this bedroom is around 15 feet by 10 feet. Now we are going in the master bedroom. Just after entry, this is the main wall on which bed will be placed, and both side table will be placed. On the main wall we will take some quilting work, and this is just opposite the opposite wall of the bed. Here we have taken the LCD unit along with the wardrobe. Now we will go in the attached washroom. The tile of the washroom is very elegant and different. Just after entry, this is the vanity wall, and this is the shower area, and here you can see the diameter of the shower. And in the last, this is the pot area, WC area, and niche will be made here. Here you can see the pattern of the tile. Tile pattern is so much elegant. Size of the tile is around 2 feet by 4 feet. So now we can see that from the flooring we have started in the height 2 feet tile, then 1 feet tile, then 2 feet tile. So in this way the pattern is made. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you want the interior like this, so you can contact us. We deal in all residential and commercial building. Thank you so much.